Suppose what the system told us is autism in children is just naturally an expulsion of the system and programming. You have any suppose?
Suppose they just come here to teach us lessons. Suppose they're not supposed to verbally speak. Suppose they are here to be in nature, around water, and introduce us to spirituality. They have gifts. It's just that you're not in tune enough to realize their gifts so that they can work on that gift.
Suppose they have been spelled by the word autism, where we today speak too much as adults and do too little.
Suppose it's the vaccine that spelled them, so it makes them more hyper and not quiet and calm.
Suppose it's a spiritual mute that can only be removed through putting back the child in where they belong. Suppose it's nature, the sun, the ground, proper oxygen. Suppose it's the parent trauma of dealing with the child with less love and affection. Just suppose.
They just need to be more observant. Interestingly, I did scans on autistic children.
Right.
And their chakra, their crown chakra, is on point.
Then if that's so, suppose these children are accumulating information to disseminate them through their actions. You know why they're so angry?
Interesting. Because you could think of something that you want, they could go find it, and you haven't even told them.
But are you observing that these children, I call them the superhumans that you labeled as autistic, the only fight they have is the name the doctors gave you to speak over them. So that is why someone came under the comment section and say it's a spiritual mute. You're correct, but the side of the kind that you should look on, suppose that these children are here to teach us rather than we teaching them. Why are we weaning these children so fast of their true essence, of their colostrum from the natural breast milk? Suppose it's the baby formula. Suppose it's the vaccine. Suppose it's the neglect. Suppose it's the fight in the home with mothers and fathers. Suppose it's the separation. Suppose it's how we curse each other in the home. Just suppose it's the child not doing what you say, but doing what you do.
Suppose we're supposed to have one of them in our presence. We have two parents who want to send them to us.
Suppose these children can sense real, genuine people. This is why they behave different when they are around some particular humans. Every time they're around this lady, it's like they open up. They just want to say something. They just want to do something. They want to feel something. They want to interact with something. Suppose they have the ability to sense genuine and true souls. My mother would say, suppose your nose was a post hole, where would you place the inches? not for entertainment. You hear internet? No. The conclusion. Suppose as a parent, you were not designed to do 9 to 5 and you and your spouse fighting to figure out that the child need both parent. The base of the voice of the father that develop the base of the voice of the child, and the tender loving and care that should be from the beauty and not the beast, which is the man. Suppose all they need is family and attention. Because a child becomes what they are, where they are, what happened around them between the ages of in the womb to 7 years old. So most of these children are neglected. Feel and sense fight, fear, trauma, discomfort, worry, depression from in the home. Yet when they come, we blame it all on the government and vaccine, etc. By the way, most of you trust the genociders, let me be a word, than even your child instincts to say that I don't want any cooked food to eat. Suppose these children come to teach you what to eat. Majority just want to eat food or don't eat any at all. What they want is oxygen, play, someone to love them, and you wonder where their energy come from. It's just by being in nature. I told you the environment have everything to do with it. Now, yeah, for the person with the autistic children, this is the starter package. Yo, what going now? SEN teacher special educational needs.
So I'm putting in the frequency into these bottles.
Right.
I'm structuring the water.
Right.
So these are your packs for the autism speech delay. So these are the starter packs. So first is the gut. So that's Brilliant Brain. And then you've got 2 bottles of Zeo Kids.
Right.
And then you have the magnesium spray.
Right. And that's a starter package.
That's the starter package.
Yep. Give thanks.
Bye.